So here we are. I put everything together. It's relatively easy. Okay, the handles go from the back towards the front. Then the motor gonna snap onto it. You have to put the blade on. Okay, this goes to the side and then the blade goes in, and then you have to screw this, take off this screw and this flange and then put the blade and put these on the blade. Okay, I have here a little stop, okay, that will keep the blade down if you want to. Actually, this is how you get it, with the blade down. Okay, when this thing goes in like that, okay, the blade stays down. Okay, you pull this stop out. Sorry. Okay, I'm using my hands now. So you pull that stop out, and then the blade swivels up and down. You have this little thing here to clamp down on stuff. Okay, you can push on this button, it goes up and down, and then you can screw it tightly or make it looser. This I like very much. Okay, this right here, you have the key, okay, which you will use to screw those screws and to do the flange, and it has its own little place so you don't lose it. Sorry about that, it's winter and I'm coughing. Okay, you have this little stop here so you can keep the blade in one place from sliding. Okay, if you just want to keep it that way, you tighten this up and then it should stop sliding. Adjusted it. Yeah, there's a lot of tightening to do. There we go, it doesn't slide anymore. Okay, this one just routes the power cord to the motor. This one here, okay, if you untighten it, there we go. Okay, we make it nice and loose, and then we take out this little stop here, and then you can pivot to the side up to 45 degrees. This is one part that I don't like about it. You should have had an indicator right there to tell you on how many degrees you are, but the indicator is missing. It's just empty plastic. I guess you could do it yourself, because when it's all the way upright you are supposed to be on 0. Okay, so that's 0, and then when you are all the way that way you are supposed to be at 45 degrees. These also slide in and out of the way. Okay, okay, and this here, okay, you make it loose, and then there's a button underneath. Okay, and then you move it side to side to how many degrees you want. This one is very well indicated with this indicator right here. Okay, and the two sides, like I said, they're just gonna screw on with those little screws. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to keep the internet alive. And before I let you go, let me turn this thing on so you can hear the engine. Okay, so the power button is here on the side. You switch it on, and then when you press on this button, it starts moving. Okay, so that is how it's working, and you also have a little laser light that will show you the cut, which is very handy. Again, thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to keep the internet alive, and come see me on the next one. Thanks, and bye-bye.